Hello, Chef here once again. Porsche turbo knife. Yeah. Apple. Would you eat that apple? Anyway, that's the nasty right there. That's the good stuff right there. So yeah, you can still eat this apple. There's nothing wrong with it. But not everyone might agree with that. I like to take this apple and give it a little bit of a peel, remove a little bit of the skin, like this, okay? And this part right here is good to go. Be awesome for apple tart or an apple pie. Yeah. What do you think? So after cutting that nasty apple, you can see there's a little bit of mold on there too, and that stuff ended up on my cutting board. I need to clean this baby off. So I'm going to do something special, different today, and the maple does kill germs. Today I've got some water, a little bit of soap, and a little lemon juice, and I'm just going in a circular motion around this whole cutting board. Very thorough. Okay, so after the soap and water and a touch of lemon, I'm using a clean paper towel. I'm also going with the grain of the wood, and I'm going to show you what I've removed off this cutting board. Yeah, some residue there. Might not want to eat that. I'm following it with a clean, dry towel, just a regular kitchen towel, okay, like this. All right, that cutting board is beautiful. It's good to go. By the way, me and some other chefs over here have been using this cutting board probably for more than 6 years, I believe, on this particular one. They get rotated in and out, different events, catering affairs, all different things. These blocks travel. Sometimes people like to buy the used ones. They like the little scratches in there and stuff like that. Removes any little particles left after you clean it. Okay? What do we got right there? A little bit of wood particle, but you do want to remove it from time to time. Once again with the towel. Okay, this baby's ready for oiling. However, I want it to be dry. I'll wait till tomorrow to oil it, or the next day. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you need butcher block, visit your sponsor. They're having a sale right now. It's made in America. It's the best maple butcher block you can buy. Yeah. Have a great day. A global G6. What can be done with the right knife? Those are all cut perfectly in half. Each tomato is right down the middle. Really, really nice. They're very ripe, and it's very easy when you have the right tools. Yeah, not too big, not too heavy, easy to move around, super, super high quality, and you're buying an heirloom. This will last for generations as long as you take care of it.
end grain maple butcher block. Wonderful surface for cutting, chopping, and cooking on.